Welcome to the Audi Q35, a machine that commands attention, blending futuristic design with raw power. A bold front grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and a wide-body stance make this SUV stand out in any crowd. But this is more than just looks, it's a statement of performance and luxury. The first thing you notice is the aggressive front fascia. The massive blacked-out grille gives it an intimidating presence, while the sharp LED DRLs add a futuristic touch. Every angle of this SUV screams performance, from the sculpted hood vents to the aerodynamic front bumper. And just look at those headlights. Precision-crafted LED technology not only enhances visibility but also adds a signature light signature that makes the Q35 instantly recognizable, day or night. The Widebody Kit enhances its road presence, making it look more aggressive and planted. The sculpted lines along the sides flow seamlessly, creating a balance between sportiness and elegance. And those massive alloy wheels? They're built not just for aesthetics but also for performance. Moving to the rear, the taillights feature a sleek, continuous light bar that adds to the futuristic design. The quad exhaust setup hints at the powerful engine lurking beneath the hood, ready to unleash its true potential. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin designed for both comfort and high performance. Premium materials, a driver-focused cockpit, and ambient lighting create an experience that feels both modern and exclusive. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system ensure that technology is always at your fingertips. From the sporty steering wheel to the high-end seats, every element inside the Q35 is crafted with precision. Whether you're cruising on highways or pushing the limits, the interior keeps you connected and in control. The Audi Q35 is more than just an SUV. It's a masterpiece of engineering, a fusion of luxury and performance. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content.